Hello everyone. Welcome to the fifth and last part of What's in Your Resume. I am Ayush Kanojia from The Next Level. Today we are going to talk about some skills you need to have as an IT or CS engineer. First, I want to congratulate you that you are the most demanded branch of this decade. But, as a wise man has said, with great power comes great responsibility. You know what I am trying to say, right? So let's begin the video. First thing first, what is a resume? Resume is a formal document which you present as your identity to the interviewer, describing your skills and education background. IT is a vast branch. We cannot cover all the skills in a 3-minute video. So here is a list of skills you can consider as reference. First, communication skills. You are the only branch with a great international exposure. If you work in a well-established company, most of your clients are from foreign. Hence, you need to have a good communication skill. Second, creativity. You write codes or make GUIs or anything else. You need to have a very creative mind so that you can relate to your clients' ambitions and needs. Third, programming. There is no need to tell you how important programming is for you. Languages like C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, C#, F#, Perl. How many languages are there? Never mind. Are very important for you. You don't have to learn all the languages, but at least 2 or 3 of them. Fourth, web designing and web development. Use some part of your programming skills in learning web designing or development, because this is important too. JavaScript, CSS, PHP, Django are very important and popular these days. Fifth, practice. Only learning a language is other thing, and having hands-on experience in it is a different thing. You cannot write programs effectively without practicing them. Here is where you can come across different errors and bugs. Sixth, courses or knowledge about. Other than programming courses, here are some more topics of which you should have some knowledge. Topics like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, virtual reality, etc. are very important for you. It also includes DBMS and RDMS. Seventh, some more important skills. To work in a well-established industry, you need to have some soft skills like leadership, critical thinking, time management, etc. Conclusion. Most of your hiring companies just want skills of both categories, hard as well as soft skills. So develop them and mention them in your resume. Before wrapping up this video, I want to give a tip. Please prepare well for data structure, algorithms, questions like strings and array before giving an interview. Thank you.